All right, you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about Ruby mining application. So this particular application has bring a new update concerning the scam alert for those for you to avoid being scammed. So that is why they bring out this information. So they said there's what they call Trojan alert, which is those who are trying to create a new wallet for you to import your mining Ruby token to. So by so doing, your account will be monitored. Each time they drop their allocation to your account, they'll definitely, as in, they will automatically withdraw it to your own to their own storage. So that is why Ruby bring out a news that you should avoid it. So, and that is what I'm about to share with you right now. And at the same time, make sure you check the KYC section every time you visit this particular site so that you'll be able to pass your KYC. So if you have not passed your KYC, I will show you the step how you can pass your KYC if the button has been highlighted. So now let's click on this and see what they have to say. So let's say this is report Trajan wallet. So they have created an official website where you can report anything like Trajan wallet. So they said protect your mining Ruby from storage wallets created illegally in your mining account. So they said we are officially announced the opening of the portal form to report strange wallet, Trajan wallets that were not created by you but appears in your account, possibly planted by asset thievers. I think you get it right. So now, what is a Trajan wallet? If you found new wallet in your account that you did not create, it is very likely that they are Trajan wallets created by thieves so that when migration is reopened, they can secretly move your mining assets to storage wallets whose key they control. So I think they make everything clear. And they said, in the worst case, your assets have been stolen by wallet tragedies. The main assets have been transferred from the wallet. You need to immediately send a report to request a wallet lock privately, preventing the thieves from counting the thieves when the migration is reopened. So if you encounter such a thing, this is where you need to submit your report. So submit reports that at the official URL website. So as you can see, this is where you need to click. If you click on this, so you'll be able to submit your request that they should lock your account for you. So another one is that this form require you to log in to Google to authenticate the report sender anti-spam. So this is what you need to know about this particular site. So this is an important information. So do well to report any such alert in your Ruby mining application. So let's go back. So another place you need to take note of is this KYC section. So as you can see, this is my KYC verification. So as you can see, this is my KYC. So as you can see, let's click on continue. So as you can see, the button is not yet highlighted for me to submit my KYC. So, but I have passed the second, but it left this particular one. So that is all you need to do. Keep checking your KYC section so that you'll be able to pass your KYC in due time. So I think we have come to the end of this video. Make sure you put your question below the comment section so that we will know what is next. So, and at the same time, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that each time we upload a video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So, have a nice day and be blessed.